Welcome to Kit Kat Kids K3. A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for grapes. G for grapes. H for hen. H for hen. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for jeep. J for jeep. K for kite. K for kite. L for lion. L for lion. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for nest. N for nest. O for orange. O for orange. P for penguin. P for penguin. Q for quack. Q for quack. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S for snake. S for snake. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for violin. V for violin. W for whale. W for whale. X for Xmas. X for Xmas.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.